Welcome to my YouTube channel, Granny's Top Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare Goan style Tendli Pickle, which is very mouth-watering, delicious and crunchy. Take 2 kg Tendli, that is ivy gourd, cut into 4 pieces and keep it ready. Now in this recipe, we require to dry tendlis in hot sun for around 4 to 5 hours so that our tendli gets a crunch texture. Now this is how our dried tendli will look like. Now you require turmeric, salt, red chili powder, vinegar, sugar, garam masala, chilies, curry leaves, garlic, ginger, cumin, methi, that is fenugreek, now make garlic ginger paste, make cumin and fenugreek paste, that is paste of jeera and methi. Now preheat the vessel, add 1 liter oil, now in hot oil add garlic and ginger paste, stir it well. Now in this process we need to keep on stirring so that our masala doesn't get stuck at the bottom. So now let's add cumin and fenugreek paste. Stir it well until it becomes golden brown. Here you need to keep on stirring. Now once it is golden brown, add 3 strips of curry leaves, add 10 green chilies, make 4 pieces at length, stir it well. Now add 2 kg dried tendlis, stir it nicely. Two teaspoons salt, add coconut vinegar, that is 5 to 6 tablespoons, stir it well. Now add 2 tablespoons turmeric, 2 tablespoons garam masala, 3 tablespoons red chili powder. Stir it well. Now cook on medium flame for 15 minutes and keep on stirring. Once it is almost ready, add 100 grams of sugar. Stir it well. Keep it for more 2 minutes. And now your Goan style Tendli Pickle is ready. I hope so you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.